Do you want to go from poor to rich, but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll share 5 real strategies that can change your life. Listen carefully. Poor people work hard. Rich people work smart. If you watch this video till the end, your mindset will completely change. Poverty starts in the mind. If you keep saying, "I can't do it," you never will. To become rich, stop making excuses. Start learning daily. Take risks. In today's world, money comes from skills, not degrees. You can learn video editing, graphic design, content creation, even from your phone. Freelancing. If you have skills, money will follow. Your smartphone is your biggest opportunity. Start with YouTube channel, Instagram Reels, affiliate marketing, blogging. You may earn little at first, but with consistency, you can earn a lot. People who earn and spend everything stay poor. Rich people save money, invest money, build passive income. Here's the truth. There is no shortcut. Work daily. Stay consistent. Keep going even after failure. It takes months, sometimes years. If you truly want to go from poor to rich, start today. Comment, "I will become rich." And don't forget to like and share this video.